Hey everyone, it's Yunicca. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a glowy makeup look with a pop of glitter for Valentine's Day. If you want to see how I did this makeup look, then please continue watching. I've already moisturized my face. Now I'm using lip balm. To start on the face, I'm priming using this Ellana Hydrating Setting Spray. Next, I'm using my current favorite foundation and blending it with my beauty blender. I love how it's medium coverage but still feels light on my skin. I'm not gonna use any concealer today. I'm also putting foundation on my neck to match my skin. For my brows, I'd like to keep it natural. I'm brushing it first, then I will lightly fill it in using my Benefit Brow Pencil. Next, I'm using my setting powder to bake my under eye and T-zone area. I will also set my eyelids. For the transition shade, I'll be using Soot in Matte Texture from the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette. Next, I'm applying Aura in Sequin Texture to the center of my eyelids. I went back with my transition shade brush to add more brown in the crease area. I'll be focusing Poet in Matte Texture in the outer and inner corner of my lids. Now I'm just blending everything in to make it smooth. I wanted to add a pop of glitter in the center of my eyelids, so I'm using Poet and Glitter Texture. Next, I'm brushing off the setting powder under my eyes and T-zone area. Then I'm using this powder in Nude Beige to set the rest of my face. Back to my eyes, I'm using the same shade underneath, starting with the brown shade. I'm only putting the pinkish shade on the outer corner and finishing it with a glitter shade on the center. For this look, I decided to create a winged liner. curling my lashes and applying mascara. I'm putting on a false lashes today because I wanted to achieve a glam yet still natural looking lashes. Back to my face, I'll be using this butter bronzer in shade Light Bronze. This bronzer has a cool tone shade, so I'm using it also to contour my nose. Next, I'm blushing my cheeks using a deep coral blush. This shade is perfect for today's look because it has a shimmering gold pearl mixed into it. I'm all for the glow today, so I'm using a highlighter with a champagne highlight. I got this brand in the Philippines. For the lips, first I'm using lip paint from Tarte. This feels super soft on the lips. To top it off, I'm using this lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. Finally, I'm locking it all up with my setting spray that I got from the Philippines. And this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone!